This is a preview of the augmented reality for visualizing architectural data. In this preview video, we're going to import a simple BIM model and walk through the process of creating an augmented reality view. What you're looking at here is the red editor. As you can see, it's a very minimalist interface, and that is by design to ensure that anyone can get started with no difficulty. There are some advanced capabilities available within the red editor. If you can look at the top of the screen here, you'll see labels, sections, animations, etc. And we can have a preview of those at a later point. But in this video, I just wanted to show how easy it is to get started and how easy it is to create an augmented reality experience. So in the red editor, the first step is the user imports a BIM file. We have support for all the common BIM formats which are used today. The user is able to define a couple of parameters. And then when the user clicks on import, that file is brought into the red editor. The user can view it from all different angles because it's just a regular 3D file, make any adjustments like colors, for example, set any scale or positioning information. Here is a mannequin of a human who is 6 feet high. The user can use this as a reference if they require, or they may not even need to do that depending on how the file was imported. Once this one-step process is done, the user simply clicks on the publish button, gives a name. So here, let's call it the HVAC test file because we're doing a simple test here. And then this file is now available to transfer via email or any other mechanism to a mobile device. What we're looking at here is the Android viewer. We have captured this from the device itself. So it's a screen capture of the red Android viewer. The user goes ahead and selects the file to open. So here is the same HVAC test file that has been brought over from the editor. You can see there's a preview on the left-hand side, which shows the floor tiles as they were in the editor. And then the user goes ahead and launches this file. When the file first loads, the user is able to use regular phone gestures like pinch, zoom on their device and look around and make sure that the file looks okay. And now we'll go into an augmented reality view of that file. So while we're looking through the device, the pipes, as you can see, have been augmented into the real world. The user is walking around and those pipes stay pretty firmly stuck on the real world. Now, this is just a simple example. So these pipes don't match this house exactly, but it demonstrates the capability. Let's take a look at this same experience while the user is holding the device or from what we call the over-the-shoulder view. And this is how it looks like. The user is holding up their Android device and they're walking around, panning their phone, and those pipes are visible on the screen as they're augmented in the real world. So it takes just a couple of seconds to import any BIM file and bring it into a mobile device, and it's ready to go. It's as simple as that.